Welcome back to today's video. In part 1, I was talking about why we can feel guilty sometimes, even for the tiniest reasons, and where it comes from. Today, I would like to share some ways in dealing with guilt to make it easier for us to let it go and be more free. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, and I help people to let go of anxiety and self-doubt so they can fall in love with life again with more ease and confidence. So what can we do in the future when feelings of guilt kick in? Maybe because we dare to follow what we want and need a little bit more, and we don't meet the expectations of others at all times. Or we didn't live up to our own standards that are in truth also standards and rules of other people as we were growing up. So, step number 1, forgive yourself. Be kind and compassionate to yourself. Let yourself know that it is absolutely fine and normal to also listen to what you want, what you feel like, and what you need. Putting yourself first at times is not selfish at all. You might know what the staff on the plane is explaining to you before takeoff, should the oxygen mask drop at one point, and hopefully not, no matter who is sitting beside you. You put that mask onto your own face first. If you cannot breathe, you are of no help and support for others. Remember that. A second way is to give yourself a choice. You are free to choose whether you look after yourself now rather than fulfilling the expectations of others. And don't get me wrong here. If a friend or family member or anyone you care for is in need, you might want to be there for them. I'm not interested in cutting you off all of your responsibilities and your empathy and kindness for others. You are an adult person. You know exactly when you can take a step back because someone else needs you much more right now. What I mean to help you with is to become more aware of your own personal boundaries and know when it's not okay to cross them. Some people can be very sneaky and manipulative to get us to do something for them, even if we don't want to. And they don't stop to push certain buttons, and if need be, our button of guilt. That could be a good moment to stand up for yourself and to keep your boundaries strong. One way of doing this could be, for example, let's say they want to get you to babysit in the evening. You had an exhausting day, you are super tired, and all you want to do is to do nothing. You want to relax, you just want to spend time with yourself and enjoy some time to unwind. And you can let them know about that and excuse yourself. But those people, they begin to push harder, and they might list all the things that would make it more convenient for you, allegedly, to babysit for them. All you need to do in those moments is to repeat your initial statement. You don't even have to become creative and justify yourself. You just repeat that statement till they are running out of options to push you, even if they come up with all the things they have ever done for you, and now just once they want something from you, and you say no because you would rather relax. It doesn't feel comfortable to hear this. But when you are aware of this, that this is being pure manipulation and guilt tripping, it might be easier to stand your ground and let go of feeling guilty, because that's their goal, making you feel bad about yourself and your decisions. Another person would just respect it. And it's okay for them that you want to relax. You deserve your time to unwind and put yourself first at times. Period. You don't have to explain yourself. You don't have to justify it. But when you choose to do favors for others, because you choose it, and not because you were manipulated into it. It's a gift you give, and giving makes us feel good about ourselves. Other times, we simply do something wrong or forget something and might feel guilty about it. Acknowledge that this wasn't perhaps maybe your best idea. It's okay. Maybe you were behaving in a cowardly way that day. It's okay. And note, I didn't say you are a coward, which addresses your whole person, but I was only mentioning a certain behavior. This is a very important side note when you want to learn to become more friendly in terms of how you talk with yourself, hence to be more kind to yourself. Feelings of guilt are not the best solution in those times when you made a mistake. They don't get you anywhere. Beating yourself up doesn't get you anywhere. See this more as an opportunity to be aware of mistakes you made and what you can learn from them, so you can make it different or better in the future. Those feelings of guilt then become only a signal for something that can be improved, and that's okay. And if you need deeper work to be done to allow yourself to leave the prison of guilt and shame, you could also get in touch with a trusted with a trusted mental health professional and or hypnotist. As a hypnotist, I can help you to let go of those old learned patterns of thinking and feeling that hold you back and help you to release a happier you by talking directly to those parts of your subconscious mind that are blocking you. Check out my website and have a look around. And if you would like to get in touch, you are most welcome to do so, and invited to have a first call with me where we can just meet each other and find out if my way of working would be a great solution for you. So, till then, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell, like and share this video with others who could be interested or who could benefit from my content. And now, have a lovely day. Bye for now.